Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl, Tampa Crafty Queen. Today, we're building my mother a high-rise elevated garden bed. And I've already assembled it, put the soil in it, and we're starting to put our seeds down. So this is going to be her little starter veggie garden. And we've already did her a watermelon bucket. Watermelon and cucumbers with a miracle in the middle. So we got 2, 4, 6 watermelon plants and 3 cucumber plants. And then I'm taking those home with me. And today we're using Kellogg's Organic and Miracle Grow Organic inside of a raised bed. So y'all stay tuned. Check out your girl Tampa Crafty Queen. Bye. Don't forget to sow those seeds. Okay, y'all. If you know, you know. So, in the middle of the tornado, this lady decided to put buckets out and collect water from the rainwater. What you say? I say she got an abundance. She asked for water, rainwater, and now she got all her containers filling up from the rainwater, clean rainwater. Isn't that amazing? Look at God. And we've got the plants. The planters are out getting their first rain on. So abundant. Everybody looking happy. All right, y'all. It's your girl, Tampa Crafty Queen. We catching rainwater, y'all. Bye.